Welcome to Errormania developers. Vidhilekan Sankhya Vibhamma Uttaryati, a developers community.
What's up everyone, this is Satvik from Errormania. So it's time to get your hands dirty with Unity and let's dive into it. So make sure that first you have Unity installed, and the best way is go to and it will, I would suggest that you have Unity Hub, because from here it is easy to manage and install and switch between different versions of Unity. So make sure you download Unity Hub from the official Unity's website. I will mention the link in the description below. So go to after installing Unity Hub, go to new and go to new and then we'll be working on first 2D. So select 2D and give the path here and type in the project name. I will give it let's give it temp for now. Give it for it to open. So this will be the scene which we'll be working on, and when you will hit this play button, okay, so the game will run on this game screen, and at any point you can pause from here and see and manipulate different things and see how it progresses. And this step button is used to move the game frame by frame, so you can notice minor changes and what are the how it's progressing frame by frame. Okay, so here is a main camera. Whatever the camera is facing, whatever objects that the camera is in front of, that will appear on the game, and that is this screen. Okay, so let's set the resolution to 1280 to 1080. Then okay, let's add an image to the scene. Right click on this panel and go to UI and then to the image. Let's change the color to red. Okay, so these are various tools we can use to move an object or change its shape and size and rotate and all sorts of things. So this is the hand tool. With this you can move here and there on the scene. Then this is the move tool. With this you can move the object wherever you like. It also works in axis. So if you only drag and move this arrow, then it will move along the x-axis, and if you click and hold and move this green arrow, then it will only move along y-axis. Okay, then there is the rotate tool, as the name suggests. You can rotate the object with this tool. Okay, then there is this scale tool. This will be very useful while developing games. With this you can scale the object, that is change the shape, size of the object. Okay, so it also works in axis. You can grow and shrink an object in a particular axis or as a whole. Okay, yeah. Then there is the rect tool, and then there is this last tool, move, rotate or scale, which basically means that all these first three tools are combined into one. Okay, you can do all three things together at the same time. So the shortcut keys for these tools are like for this hand tool is Q, for move is W, and for this rotate is E, and for scale is R, and for rect is um, I think T. Yeah, and for this last one is white. So it's basically QWERTY, QWERTY in the order. Okay, I didn't notice that this line was coming. The reason for that is the camera is placed here. Okay, so we will move the camera accordingly, such that the top bottom left corner is overlaid on the bottom left corner of the canvas. So that's pretty much it. I will see you in the next part of the video.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Errormania. We are coming with more solutions to our programming problems, and stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you.